How are these brands making money? Like, I went shopping in over 50 something stores the last 3 weeks. It was shocking to me. You go to the mall, like I live in New Hampshire, so we go to the mall in Manchester, New Hampshire. And even in the busiest day, there is or there is not maybe a couple people. And we went to perfume stores, clothing brands, shoe stores, and every time we went in, there was maybe three people, but that doesn't mean that they're buying. Knowing how expensive rents are in these malls, they usually have 3 to 5 employees, even though there are three people in there. And I'm talking about all kinds of brands and even the outlets in Merrimack, which are very usually popular here in New Hampshire. Like everybody goes, people from Massachusetts come here to shop, from Connecticut, because we don't have the sales tax. So people can get bargain and can get deals, but actually pay much less. I was surprised with how these people making money. Like, I honestly feel these big corporations, they have these front stores almost as an advertising so people can see them, and their purpose is not really to make money rather than to be almost like a advertisement. So yeah, you'll find some deals and so on, but probably most of the sales comes from online. But there are some brands, for example, I was to Boss and like a stupid t-shirt, not even cotton. Like, I understand I can pay $80 maybe for a really nice looking shirt, maybe. I usually don't, but and there was 3 people working in the outlets at Boss, yet I was the only customer there, and I didn't even end up buying because everything looked very overpriced for the quality. I went to Nike, I went to Adidas, I went to Guess. Oh my God, Guess surprised me the most. Cheaper material. I didn't find anything worth buying there that was good material. I'm talking about dresses, sweaters, shirts, pants. That was also worth the money. Like, it was this dress that I honestly thought like it was one of those like kind of like Charlotte Russe type of brand. And I'm like, oh, this looks like something I'll buy at Charlotte Russe. And then you look at the price, like $87 for this thinly polyester made dress. And I'm like, how are these companies making money? I see a lot of employees, not as many people. Adidas, even though like the quality is whatever, to be honest, like I'm not impressed with Adidas quality. I used to, not anymore. Nike, the same thing. Everything was polyester. You don't find any more cotton. No more cotton. I was surprised Adidas actually had some good deals. But again, you're paying for the brand, and it's not like, I'm like, those clothes, I can buy them on discount in Burlington Coat Factory for like $15. There's no way, with what I've seen, going through different times of the week and being before Christmas, no, how are these brands staying alive in the stores, in these malls? Unless there's what I said it is almost like a write-off or almost like a way of like advertising, because there's so many people that walk just to show like, hey, we're still here. Not that they care as much how much money they make, because there's no way with going to a perfume store, there's 3 people working there selling one perfume. Like, think about how much of the salary of those 3 people, I'm guessing they have maybe more. But I'm like, how are they paying? Like, the most expensive perfume is like, what, like maybe $200? Like, what is the margin of that? Like, how are they paying for the store, 3 employees, and who knows how many more, the shipment, and like, make it make sense. Like, it almost makes me believe like we live in the Matrix.